In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all ChatGPT chats history on mobile. So what you're going to do on your phone, open up any browser of your choice and then go to ChatGPT and log into your ChatGPT account. Make sure you are logged into the account where you want to delete all the chat history for. So log into your account using the browser on your mobile browser. Once you've logged in, on your top left, there's two horizontal menu option there. Click on it. And then here under chats you will see all your chat history. If you want to delete only a specific chat, then locate the chat and next to it there will be three lines there. Click on the three lines and there will be a delete option. Tap on delete. It'll ask for a confirmation. Click on delete and that will delete the chat for you. But if you want to delete everything, all the chat history, then what we're going to do is again click on the menu on your top left and then click on your profile name, which is your name, or underneath click on your profile, and from there click settings and go to your settings. Once you're on your settings here, you're going to go and click on this data control tab here. Okay, so click on the data control tab. So from there you will see there's an option called delete all chats. Simply click on delete all and then it's going to ask you whether for a confirmation. Just tap on confirm deletion and that will delete everything from your account.